All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I prep my hair for a new protective style. So pretty much just putting my cornrows back in my hair, and also just my regular wash day. So this day I am actually doing a clay detox. I haven't done one of these probably since it's been probably about a year. So you will need everything that you see here: a plastic bowl, plastic spoon, measuring cup, water, apple cider vinegar, and the clay, of course. And you are going to mix them. All right, so here I'm mixing about 3/4 of apple cider vinegar with 1.5 cups of water. I needed a lot of this. I'm pretty much going to use almost the whole thing of clay because I'm doing my hair plus Darren's hair. So yeah, so you want to just add the water in as I'm doing so, and then you'll add the clay in. Now typically I do the clay first and then add the water in, but this time I just decided, this is actually my first time doing it this way, just to see how it came out. And honestly, it really doesn't matter. You just want to mix it however you feel comfortable. It did get a little lumpy on me, but you know, in the end it's fine. You'll see it mixed up pretty well, but it took a second because I needed a lot of mixture. So my hair had been in cornrows for about 4.5, 5 weeks. And I did during that time co-wash my hair while they were in braids, which is something you can do, but it has not been detangled or anything like that since that time. So during this video you'll see you'll see how I remove all my shedded hairs. I did of course kind of detangle a little bit before this video, and here I'm just giving you guys a texture shot just so you'll see. But yeah, so about this clay, you want to make sure you're doing it on wet hair. I did not wash my hair before. I've seen people actually, you know, wash their hair and then do the clay. I just saturate my hair with water really well, almost dripping, because it's going to be hard to manipulate your hair, and you don't want to manipulate your hair too much when the clay is actually on. So because it's going to harden. So the clay pretty much is just going to remove all the impurities, the buildup, detoxify, all that good stuff to your hair, and it gives a really good pop for your curls. So it does revive your curls and make them come back to life. Quick thing, I do prefer doing the apple cider vinegar rinse over the clay because it's just much faster and it is like just less messy, but we're just gonna do the clay for today. All right, so I did split my hair in 4 sections. So the smaller your sections are, the easier this is going to be. So with that first section, I split it in half, and then I apply the clay from the base all the way to the ends of my hair, really making sure I get every strand and all that good stuff. You just want to coat your hair as best as you can and as much as you can. Don't be scared of this clay. Be very generous when applying it, like I am, because I'm just heavy-handed when it comes to product anyways. But yeah, you guys, so I am going to just apply this to my hair, and then you'll see kind of how it's starting to dry and whatnot, and just the process that I go through. So it dries fairly quickly, not too quick, so you don't have to be too nervous, but you can see right there it's already starting to dry. And then of course I move on to my next section. If it does start to dry on you, or your hair starts drying up because you don't want to apply this again to dry hair, just use your spray bottle like you may see me doing. Oh, right there, and wet your hair a little bit, or you can add a little bit more water to the clay to make it just more pliable to use. So I do not do a very long wash day. I have cut my wash days down to just literally a day. I remember the times when I used to like do 2 days for a wash day, and it's just not necessary. So I feel like I have the fastest wash day ever, which saves me so much time. Y'all, this looks like relaxer going on my head. It's crazy. I was literally cracking up because you see me laughing right here. But I was like dying on the inside. Like, look at that. Look, don't that look like a relaxer? So just a little history on my hair. I've really been focusing on getting my thickness back. I have a whole video about that topic there, but I have went from washing my hair, actually washing it, some people may not agree with this, from every 2 weeks to now I probably wash it once a month, and then I will co-wash it once a month while it's in its braids or twist or whatever it's in. So this has helped me tremendously. I see a huge difference in my hair, and I've been doing this for about 6 or 7 months now. It's not for everyone. Some people may think it's disgusting, but leaving my hair alone has been the biggest help for me. So and I'm gonna use the rest of this Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle to help remove the clay when I go jump in the shower, because it does take a little bit of effort, and this does help when adding a little bit of conditioner when removing the product. So here's my hair all ready to be deep conditioned and washed out. So yeah, here we are with, oh, I just love this product. But I'm using the TGIN honey conditioner. I'll put a picture, and then everything I'm using will be down in the description box for you. But this conditioner, you guys, I don't think I'm ever gonna go to a different one. It gave my hair so much slip. I can practically detangle my hair so fast with this conditioner. I am in love with it. It's super moisturizing, super hydrating, and you definitely need to deep condition after using that clay mask, because it took out all the impurities, and from it's pretty much dried out my hair. I don't know if that's for anyone else, which is as expected because it's really clean at this point. And so adding a really good deep conditioner is a must, and this is awesome for me. If any type 4 girls have not tried this hair mask from TGIN, I highly recommend you do so. It is worth every single penny. So yeah, you guys, I am just kind of using my hands. You rarely see me in any of my videos use tools. I finger detangle, finger style, everything with my hands. I'm just so used to it. I've been doing it for about 1.5 years now, and by the time I'm finished, this took me really no time. Like my whole section is detangled, and I can run my fingers through my hair, which is what I want. So that made me super happy with no combs, no nothing at this moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist up my hair, finish doing all of my sections, and then cover my hair with a plastic bag and then a hat. I need to invest in like some form of heat, one of those like hot heads or something like that. I don't know why I haven't by now, but yeah, so just to keep that heat in for added moisture, so the moisture doesn't try and slip away. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Just finish up deep conditioning my hair, and I'll be back for the styling. All right, guys, so my hair did get a little dry, so I'm just spritzing it with this Camille Rose lavender hair spritzer, and then I'm going to add in the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In conditioner to my hair, which you don't need a lot of this, by the way. And then I am going to detangle, and then actually no, not last. Next, I'm going to add in the Almond J twisting butter, and on top of that, the Cocoa Nibs, I believe that's what it's called, hair oil to seal in everything. So this method right here, I'm doing the LCO, and then the next clip that you will see, I'm doing the LOC, so the regular lock method, and then the LCO. I'm just at this point, I'm just testing out which one I want to stick with for a while and which one will hold in my moisture better. I know different methods hold in moisture a lot better than others, and I'm just at this point, I'm just experimenting. That's it, you guys. So just a quick tip, I did, especially in the front of my hair, find a little bit leftover clay or conditioner or both, I don't know, that you might see, but I'm not washing it out on this day. I've actually already washed it out and cornrowed my hair by the time this video is up. So like I said, it's a little bit difficult getting that clay out, which is why I don't really like to use it. I prefer the apple cider vinegar method, but it's definitely a great thing to use, especially if your hair has been in a protective style for a long time, like mine has. And it just needs, even if it hasn't been in a protective style, if you just haven't, like really detoxified your hair and removed all that buildup in a very long time, then that's something that you just need to add into your routine every so often. That will be very beneficial for your hair. So yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna keep blabbing. I hope this video was helpful. You know me, I keep everything pretty simple, especially when it comes to my natural hair and when it comes to life, period. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. In the end, I think I just ended up doing like 6 or 7, I don't know, 6 to 8 little twists, because my hair will be cornrowed after this for a new crochet style, which is coming on Wednesday for you guys. So make sure you're make sure you're subscribed. And then I wasn't sure if I was going to go out this day, so I just threw a little bit of, what's this called, edge control on my edges, brushed them back a bit, and then added my little skinny headband on top of that, just so I could look a little decent going out the house. But yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. I will answer you, and I hope this was helpful. So don't forget to make sure you are subscribed and follow me on Instagram at jmarie. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.